Puwede po ba mag-live ng walang products? Puwedeng-puwede po. In fact, that's one of the ways that you can really increase your follower count, lalo na po kung wala pa kayong 600. Anong puwede niyong gawin kapag nagla-live kayo? Well, actually, puwede kayong mag-live habang nagluluto, puwede kayong mag-live ng kumakanta kayo, puwedeng katulad ko, nakikipagtsikahan lang kayo sa mga taong darating. Ideally lang po, you already know what you're planning to do on your live para hindi kayo masyado ma-awkward. So for example, for me, if I'm going to do chikahan, ideally may topic na akong baon para I can talk while the people who are entering the room are still figuring out whether they want to stay or not. Ano po yung benefits ng pag-go live even if hindi kayo nagla-live selling? Actually, pwede pa rin po kayong kumita. One of the ways that you can earn is when your viewers send you gifts and yung mga gifts na po na yon ay may dollar value. So ano po yung benefits of going live? Number one, you can increase your visibility and therefore your potential follower count. Number two, kapag nag-live po kayo, pwede nyo pong gamitin yung clips from that live, yung highlights, and post them as regular videos. So, lagi rin po kayong may content. Number three, pwede po kayong mag-earn then through live when your viewers give you gifts. Masaya din po siya, lalo na po kung nag-enjoy naman kayong kumausap ng mga tao. Yun po. So, yes, there are a lot of things that you can do with going live.